Hi there, let's talk about something we all need to do once in a while, cleaning up. But today, we're not talking about your garage or your attic, we're talking about your Google account. If you use Google Drive, Gmail, or Google Photos, you might be using more storage space than you think. Old files, big emails, and photos from 5 years ago can pile up, counting against your storage allocation. Don't worry, in just a few minutes, I'll walk you through how to clean things up, step by step. Let's get started. Section 1. Check what's taking up space. Step 1. Visit drive.google.com/settings/storage. Here, you'll see how much space you're using in Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Think of it like checking how full your closet is. Section 2. Clean up Google Drive. Now let's clean up Google Drive, where your documents and files live. Step 1. Go to drive.google.com/drive/quota. This shows all your files from largest to smallest. Step 2. Start with the biggest ones, like videos, zip files, or big PowerPoints. These take up the most space. Step 3. Ask yourself, do I still need this? Is it a duplicate? Is it a personal file I accidentally saved at work? To help make this decision, you can also click on the activity stream to see who's been using each file. To do this, select a file, then click the eye icon in the top right. From there, open the Activity tab to see the file's history and recent use. Right-click and select Move to Trash to remove an unwanted file. Step 4. Don't forget to empty the trash. Files still count against your space until you really delete them. Step 5. If the file is important for your team, move it to a shared drive. That way everyone can access it and it won't take up your personal storage. Section 3. Clean up Gmail. Now let's take a look at Gmail. Search for big emails by typing in this prompt. This shows you emails with big attachments and images, and then you can delete the ones you don't need. Then, empty your trash and spam folders. Just like in Drive, emails and trash still count until they're gone. Section 4. Clean up Google Photos. Next up, Google Photos. Visit photos.google.com/storage. Check for big or duplicate photos or videos you don't need anymore. In Settings, turn on Storage Saver to save space going forward, and click Recover Storage to compress old photos. It keeps them safe but takes up less room. Section 5. Tips to stay organized. Great job, you're almost done. Here are a few simple habits to keep things tidy going forward. Check your files once a month, delete what you don't need. Use shared drives for team files. Avoid uploading personal stuff like photos or backups to your work account. And clear the trash in Drive, Gmail, and Photos regularly. Keeping your Google storage clean helps you work faster and avoid problems. It's like giving your digital workspace a fresh start. You've got this. And remember, a little cleaning goes a long way.